Good evening, respected chief guest, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sanvi, and I am here to. We will see the benefits of the technology. Technology helps people. Technology helps the people for the communication, as we are far from anyone, and technology also helps in the world of pharmacy. Means we can say that artificial intelligence helps in keeping the data of the patients for patients, and also it helps in the prescription which we gives to the people. And also automation. In automation we can say that the technology helps to analyze the data of the patient, as we see in the US and other countries. They use this automation for the insurance type policies. And technology also helps us uh, in the mass communication. And also it also helps in the as we means for the as we see that there are the many platforms because of technology, like LinkedIn and all. So by that we can get the easily jobs. And also we can we can showcase our talent in front of everyone. And also social media like Instagram, we can see that in that technology helps that wherever the hidden talents are present, so it can showcase in our it can showcase to the people, and they can also know that how technology by the technology it takes place. And as we see the drawbacks of the technologies is in ancient area there was not technology. So by that we can see that people were sitting together, and we can understand the behavior of everyone's. And we can and also we can see that how people behave with each other, and how they respect everyone. Now because of the technology, people only sits and watches their mobile phones, and they do not communicate with anyone. So communication is losses because of technology. And also the technology in technology because of technology it we can say that like games are too much harmful for the students. So they can cause means my they can disturb the mindset of the students. So by that, and also by some games suicide cases are also occurring. So it harms to the people. And also we can say that technology can harm to the means radiations are too much. So because of that, the animals, birds, now we are not able to see the sparrow. First we were watching the sparrow everywhere in the sky, but now the population of the sparrow is lower down. So like this the technology impacts on the human life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tanvi. Now you share the opinion with us how the technology is beneficial or sometimes we rely on it. And next participant is Yash. I would like to invite Yash. Please come forward.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yash Dharmade. I am always been passionate about exploring the new technologies which implemented in our economy. I will excited to share my thoughts and opinions about the impact of technology in our day-to-day life. Firstly, I said that the impact of technology, which immense help to grow their business, the data driven decision making which become possible with the help of technology, which helps to reduce the cost of the business, as followed as increase the profitability of the business. And technology helps to convenient. Technology are the one who gives the power to the persons to communicate to everyone with the half of the seconds. And other than that, great powers with comes with great responsibilities. So that's my point. The technology are the game changer for our society and our country. It helps to growth our economy of our countries. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Yash. You share the information how technology is beneficial for us and share the advantages with us. And technology is helpful for growing business also. And now I would like to invite Honorable Chief Guest Sumit sir to deliver the speech and sorry. And now I would like to invite Vaibhav sir. Please come forward. Share the.
Good evening, my friends, teachers, and honorable judges. Thank you for this precious gift which is given by you to me speak on this dais. Today's our topic is impact of technology on human life. First of all, whenever I see these topics, then lots of thoughts comes on my mind, and there is a